sister, thank you for coming. We're just wondering what it is. No need to hide behind the curtain. We're wondering what it is with you. Sergei and I were both wondering. Do you have any comment? I mean, you're always so punchy. Yeah. I mean, I can't say you're a knockout, but for God's sake, say something. Sergei, I don't think so.
What do you tell me? This is woman of God in my country? Well, in my country, woman, mothers hit. They hit. But this one, punchy.
I know, Sergei, you can't get a word in edgewise with her. She's too punchy. She doesn't even respond. She'll just beat the living godless out of you.
Take it away, please, Sergei. We go to church, and they say, go sit over there on that bench. I cut fart, and nun says, now you sit in your own pew. But she doesn't hit me. Huh? Take it away, America. Sergei, that's very funny, but with what you people eat, you let loose any gas, you probably... Well, this is a family show. Word just got sister of mine, no, sister, none, no, none sister, no, no sister of mine, none. Punchy girl is coming to see you. Yes, very good.
What? You're kidding me. Oh, have her come in. That's remarkable. Sister, thank you for showing up. Maybe we could clear this up a little and, find out. Damn! Come on, punchy, godless nut.
Throw her out. I mean, what kind of nun is that goes around hitting people? What is this, Catholic school? We can't have that on whatever this studio is. Okay, folks, we have a special guest star today. Come on in. Ho, ho, ho. How are you, Santa? It's very nice of you to stop by. I know you have a very busy next week. Oh, yes, I do. But I'm very glad to stop by and see everyone here. Thank you for inviting me. Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas.